The Jabra Elite 85T. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Jabra Elite 85T. These earbuds come in at the higher end price point. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with small, medium, large ear tips and the USB-C charging cable. The user manual is available in the app, which I'll go over in a bit. The earbuds will give you 7 hours of listening time with ANC off and 5 hours with it on, and total hours of 31 and 25. It has quick charge, so 15 minutes will give you 1 hour, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 12mm drivers, AAC SBC codec, button controls, USB-C and wireless charging, ANC ambient features and app integration, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case has a compact, slim design. It has a matte finish all around with the Jabra branding on the front, and the bottom has a wireless charging. On the front of the case, you'll find the charge status LED, and on the back, you'll have the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and it uses magnets. The earbuds are also secured by magnets, and they're easy to remove from the case. The inside of the case has a rubber grippy feel to it. And here it is on the wireless charger. You can see it activate. The earbuds have a similar look and feel to the Jabra 75T. It has a two-tone finish, black and silver. You have the ear indicators on the inside, and the outer face has the branding along with the button for the controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, LED, button control, and microphones. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward, a few light pushes to get the desired functions. This has app integration, and you can download the Jabra Sound Plus app. Upon launching it, you will have access to the user manual along with setting up the My Sound feature, which will optimize the audio experience based on your personal hearing profile. Just follow the prompts to set up. The app is intuitive and straightforward. You can see the charge status of the device and toggle the various sound modes. You can toggle the active noise cancellation and hear-through feature by moving the slider through various levels. You can also manually adjust the EQ or select from a few of the presets. It also has soundscapes, and you can select from a wide range of choices if you want to relax. And finally, in the general settings, you can upgrade the firmware if one is available, and you can change the basic functionality settings for the earbuds. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.1 by 1.6 inches. It weighs in at 43 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 14 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Don't want this
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Jabra Elite 85T microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when watching video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the 85T. I found the comfort to be excellent, and they don't add a lot of pressure in the ear canals. They felt secure and it had a snug fit. You can definitely wear it for extended periods of time. Button controls don't add pressure in the ear canals when navigating. I would say the fit is like the Apple AirPods Pro. Build and quality is solid. The case has a simple look and feel. It feels durable along with the earbuds. Earbuds have a sleek look and are compact. The button controls have good feedback and don't require a lot of pressure to activate. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 7 hours and 31 total with the case. Having ANC on will cut that by a few hours. I like the app integration and the features that they have included. The active noise cancellation was surprisingly good. I like the various levels that you can toggle depending on your preference. It blocked out the surrounding sounds and you can definitely tell the difference. These rank up with some of the best that I have tried. The hear through feature also performed and it picked up the surrounding sounds loud and clear, and you can adjust the levels as well through the app. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep, punchy and tight. It doesn't sound boosted and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and there's good separation. I like the overall wide sound stage. The sounds were on point for me and very balanced. You also get the option to manually toggle the EQ or select from the presets depending on your listening preference. Overall, these are a solid pair. It is on the higher end price range, but the sounds, ANC, and app features will not disappoint. These are definitely a better alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro in my opinion, if you're comparing the two. So that is my review of the Jabra Elite 85T True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.